OK, question number 4. Pop art legend Andy Warhol once said, "I used to drink it for 20 years, I guess. The same thing over and over again." What was he talking about?
Pee-pee.
What, sorry?
Pee-pee.
Pee-pee. It's all right, that, Dad. Only ease.
What was Andy Warhol talking about when he said, "I used to drink it every day for 20 years, I guess, the same thing over and over again"?
Oh, Roche.
Pee-pee.
Why are you saying it in such a crazy
Because that's how
way?
he would have said it. Look at him. He never once said, "I need to go for a wee." He went like this, "I need to go for a pee-pee."
I showed you an excerpt from an 1856 book on household tips, asked you what they were recommending as a cure for baldness. What did you put, Roisin, Conaty?
Pee-pee.
You've got so creepy.